Tired of getting caught in fake breakouts and weak market moves? The Nova Volume Indicator for MT4 helps you separate real momentum from market noise by showing when volume is actually supporting price action. The Nova Volume Indicator compares current volume against its average and highlights volume spikes that signal strong market participation. The goal is simple. Only trade when price movement is backed by volume. Buy setup. First, identify a key resistance level. Wait for price to break above that resistance. Check the Nova Volume Indicator and make sure volume is at least 1.5 times above its average or clearly showing a strong volume spike. Enter a buy trade after the breakout candle closes with strong, bullish momentum. Place your stop loss below the breakout candle or recent swing low. Take profit at the next resistance level or target a minimum 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Sell setup. Find a major support level. Wait for price to break below support. Confirm that the Nova Volume Indicator shows a significant volume surge, indicating strong selling pressure. Enter a sell trade after a strong bearish candle closes below support. Place your stop loss above the breakdown candle or recent swing high. Take profit at the next support zone or use a minimum 1-to-2 risk-reward target. Never trade breakouts on low volume. A breakout without volume confirmation has a much higher chance of failing and reversing. Let volume validate the move before risking your capital. The Nova Volume Indicator gives traders a simple way to confirm momentum and avoid low-quality setups. If you want to download this indicator, plus hundreds of free Forex indicators, strategies, and templates, visit forexmt4indicators.com and start improving your trading today.